Hola!
Buenos dias!
Good morning from beautiful Isla Mujeres,
Mexico! I'm going crazy!
We are so excited. I mean, excited doesn't even do it
even
justice
close.
how I'm feeling right now. Today we are going snorkeling with...
The biggest fish in the sea.
Do you know what that is?
Did you say great white?
Doesn't even come close.
That's right, we are going with something even bigger, twice as big in fact. We're talking about
The gentle giant of the sea, whale shark. Every year between May and September off the coast of Isla Mujeres is the world's largest migration of whale sharks. You can see anywhere between 20 and 100 at one time. The full moon is the best time to come here and snorkel with them, but any time is a good time between then.
We are whaley excited and we hope you are too. If you're as excited as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.
We'd really appreciate it.
So this is one of the most popular activities on the island, so it's offered all over the place. We walked around, we checked prices everywhere. We found it was between about $125 and $150. This is actually a really good deal, and since it's the biggest migration in the world, you have a really good chance of seeing them.
So you can either book before or just show up here and head into a dive shop or go see an outfitter on the street and they will give you all the information for it. Seahawk Divers is who we chose to go with. When we went in there yesterday, they were just so friendly and welcoming, gave us tons of information, and the price was right at $125.
They offer us a nice little light breakfast here. They're giving you some bananas, they have muffins, cinnamon if you're interested, some coffee and water, which is great. You don't want to eat too much before you go out in the ocean on a long trip because sometimes the wave motion can make you sick. So remember, light breakfast, they offer it here. We're super excited. We hope you are too. They even offer seasickness tablets. I do recommend taking them, guys. Take them before you get on the boat. Once you're seasick, they don't do any good for you. Don't be proud. Take the pill.
Let's go see some whale sharks.
Let's go do this. Today we're going out on the vodka tonic, baby. I don't even know I'm drinking. I'm so excited.
Time to go find those whale sharks.
Let's get out there. You keep those peepers peeping, people. So we were just getting our briefing for the whale sharks. Do not touch the whale sharks under any circumstances. I don't know if you like strangers touching you, but these gentle giants certainly do not like it. Rough out here.
Definitely take those seasickness pills because it is rough.
I'm sailing away.
Say it, don't spray it. Can't believe this is about to go down. I always said when I see one, I'm probably gonna cry. But I don't want to cry because then my mask is gonna get all clogged up.
We're looking for some whale sharks, baby, on the east coast of Mexico. They're huge. I don't know if you caught any of that, but we just saw 2 Tortuga Verdes or green turtles mating on the surface. Pretty cool, but I don't know if it was right to violate their privacy. So the boat just slowed down. We're out about 20 miles and we are on the search for whale sharks. If you see anything, give us the whale shark.
This is incredible. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at the dolphins. Oh my gosh, guys, there's dolphins, whale sharks, mantas. This is unbelievable.
Dolphins and whale sharks. It's our lucky day, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're just everywhere. The whale shark's right there. You can see the dark shadow in the water like 15 feet away. See his fin just popped out of the water right there. Right. Oh, then now the dolphins are on top of him. Enjoy it. Holy hell, look at the size of that thing. There they are swimming with the whale shark. Man, how cool. Unbelievable, right next to the boat. Seriously, we are looking at like 7 to 10 whale sharks right now. There are manta rays in the water. Dolphins are here. I'm going crazy. The captain just had me sit down because I almost fell off the boat. So I'm very excited. I'm overwhelmed. It's so good. How many whale sharks you think, Captain?
Maybe 100.
Maybe 100?
Yeah.
That's the man right there. He knows what he's talking about. Thank you so much for bringing us out here.
What do you think?
This is incredible. Honestly, I had no idea it was going to be like this. The manta rays are the size of a freaking car. Incredible. And we're going to be up next, so stay tuned.
Oh my god, that was amazing! Holy moly, they're big! That was awesome. Very cool. Wow.
Hello! You ready, guys?
Yeah, can't
Let's
wait.
rock and roll!
Let's rock and roll.
Get ready. I want you with both legs out. When I say go, you jump, okay? Go, go, go! Unbelievable, really unbelievable. How was your first whale shark?
I gotta catch my breath. That was unbelievable. It wasn't my first, my second, my third. We probably saw like 20, I don't even know. And
Definitely.
This is spectacular. And yeah, there are a lot of boats here right now, but it doesn't feel like there's a lot of people in the water because only 2 people are allowed per boat at one time. My heart is beating so fast and it feels so cold. Oh.
My little whale sharker. And make sure you stay hydrated between your whale shark swims. It's super important. So I just showed you all those boats in the water. 50 boats seems like a lot, but since only 2 people from each boat are actually allowed in the water and there's about 100 whale sharks here, it's like there's nobody else there at all. What an incredible day. Our dive guide or our snorkeling guide just said that he's been out here the last week and this is the best day that he's had so far this season. We are just so fortunate to be here and we're so glad that you could come with us.
So we are getting ready for round 2. The great thing about this place is everybody gets at least 2 turns in the water with the whale sharks, mantas, and dolphins. I can't wait to see how this time goes. I hope you're ready.
Come with us.
Hopefully we'll get whaley lucky. Come on, whale sharks. The whale shark wave.
How did that whale shark just sneak up on us? Jesus, that thing was huge! It was whaley big. That was huge!
Holy poop! Holy poop, that is incredible.
You did it really good.
Cheers. Well. And the best part is, it's whaley cold. Little sandwiches. Muchas gracias, Captain. It's a nice ham and cheese. Nothing like some ham and cheese after you hang out with some whale sharks. Yeah, let me pass that back to them. Anybody needs some? Oh, we cantaloupe. I just met you. So we just got back to the dock from our incredible whale shark manta dolphin morning. And we're gonna go and snorkel on a local reef just off the coast of Isla Mujeres. So excited. I hope you're ready for some fun. Yeah, you ready for some snorkeling? Yeah, snorkel party.
Snorkels in.
Did somebody say something about wearing a nose?
Snorkeling's done, but the fun isn't. Come along with us and see what we've got next.
Making that ceviche. Muchas gracias, Captain. He's quite the chef. He made those delicious sandwiches we had earlier too. Oh, gracias. Beautiful.
Look what we're ending the day with. Homemade ceviche.
Made by El Capitan himself. You were awesome. So I couldn't even believe how many we saw. Everywhere. Luis is number one. Oh, well, Adolfo, yes, of course, Adolfo. Muchas gracias, Capitan.
That was like the best experience ever. I've been doing a lot of snorkeling, but never swimming with the whale sharks. You gotta do this.
With the whale sharks, everything you imagined?
Better. I mean,
Awesome.
you can't really ask for more. Whale sharks, turtles, dolphins, mantas.
Ceviche.
Ceviche.
Great to meet you.
You too.
Oh my god.
I mean, what a day.
We just got back and my heart is still pumping. That was unbelievable. I will never forget today.
Never. Today is burned into my mind. It was just so wonderful.
This morning we took you to Seahawk Divers. We actually went out with their sister company, Mexico Divers, and oh my gosh, they were both so phenomenal.
Honestly, I don't think the customer service could have been any better. The boat was great. Their service was great.
The hospitality.
Oh man, and the whale sharks were pretty cool too.
Yeah. So if you come here and you're looking for a dive operation to do this snorkeling with, look no further. Seahawk Divers, Mexico Divers.
We'll include their website links down below. And thank you so much for coming along on this once-in-a-lifetime experience with us today.
Yes, without you, this channel would not be possible. We appreciate all your support.
Muchas gracias.
Yes. And thank you so much to our marine friends for showing up as well. You rock. And as always, if you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and
don't forget to ling 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 the bell.
We'll see you
next time. Keep living, loving, and whale shark watching.
You know I had to end in a pun.
See you next time.
Adios.
We cantaloupe. I just met you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.
We'd really appreciate it.
Down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.